Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I am showing you these two Blythe dolls. They're both fakey dolls. This one I just recently did an unboxing of her and she is super adorable. This one I did an unboxing of a while ago. She's super cute too. This one I got in particular because I was thinking of using her for the next challenge that I'm doing with Marna over at Dolls Rescued. So in February, she and I are going to be having another one of our challenges. And this one is going to be themed around the Roaring 20s. And we are going to take a Blythe doll and turn her into a flapper. And originally, like I said, I had her in mind because of her bobbed hair. I thought it would look really cute. And then I was putting away my Christmas dolls and changing their clothes. And this girl, I had kind of forgotten about her. And I thought, you know what? She would really make a cute flapper too. So I'm kind of, I don't know. I'm on the fence. Do I do this one? Do I do this one? Yeah, so I wanted to also just step in here and remind everybody about this in case anybody wants to join us. I will put the hashtag that we're using down below. And even though the challenge is only between Marna and myself, as usual with our challenges, we ask our viewers to watch our videos and then rank them between 1 and 10 in the comments. Then after a couple of days, she and I count them all up and figure out who has the highest total, and that person is the winner. So that's the next challenge that we're doing. Like I said, is the Roaring 20s, and we're going to create a little flapper girl. But I don't know. Now I'm kind of leaning towards her. I think she would really make a cute flapper, that short hair. But then I don't know about her. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Oh, the other thing with this doll, I put her on a Leica body. This doll has the fakey jointed body, and she's got a little bit of a darker skin tone, not a ton, but a little bit darker than this doll. But I put this doll on the Leica body, and that was another reason I thought, you know, because the flapper dolls the flappers tended to have very like straight lines with their clothing. And this is a very lean body. So I thought this might be kind of a cute flapper body. So between her hair and her body, she did not come with this body, by the way, just so you know. I just did a very minor customization where I switched her body out. But between the body and the hair, now I'm kind of leaning towards her, but then I don't know. This is why I got this doll. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm interested in your feedback. And also let me know if you're going to join us. Like I said, it's going to be at the end of February 28th. And we actually enjoy it when everybody else joins in and does their own videos. You do not have to make a doll. You do not have to make a flapper. If you have a doll that's already got a flapper outfit on, that would be cute. If you feel like making one, you could do that too. It doesn't have to be a Blythe doll. It could be Barbie, Smart Dolls, whatever doll floats your boat and you want to use in your video, you can. And like I said, you're not going to be voted on. Marna and I are the ones that are challenging each other and asking our viewers to do the rankings. And but it's just fun for us to have everybody else join in too if you guys want to or not. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. I will see you on the flip side. Thank you for stopping by. Always appreciate a thumbs up. And have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.